And here I come. Hi guys, what's up? This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now if you have been watching my channel, you already know that I am going through a series of vlogs, my stock photography tour to Sikkim, and today we will be talking about my day 5. We had only one destination on day 5 and that is Gurudongmar Lake. You know, I'm recording this video at 3 AM in the night. Yes, it's weird, but it's to correlate with the fact that when you start for Gurudongmar at that day of the trip, you need to wake up at 3 AM in the morning and start within 4 AM. It's a huge trip from Lachung to Gurudongmar and it takes a total of around say 5 hours drive. Why that is so? Because you need to reach Gurudongmar early so that you can leave early, because as the day passes by, a series of storms with various stone chips and fragments starts all over Gurudongmar and they will simply destroy your gears and car and everything. So every tourist car leaves by 12. So without any further ado, let's take you directly to the vlog. Mind it, we are up at 3 and my face may seem a little bit puffy because we are just out of sleep, right? And before going into the video, let me tell you, in this channel we do a lot of photography tips and tricks and tutorials, as well as we cover various tours on how to take stock photography just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Now let's get on to the video. Day 5, we are out to Gurudongmar. Oh, we woke up at 3 and it's now 5 AM. Whew. Hectic journey. So we have been driving for almost an hour. 2 more hours to go. From Lachung to Gurudongmar, the rise is huge. It's from around 9,000 feet to more than 17,000 feet. So most of us, we are hoping to have a lightheadedness or shortness in breath. We are taking precautions. Hope I am able to complete this video and see you after an hour. We are having a breakfast break in a local inn restaurant sort of. I'll take you a tour inside and you will see how it looks like. It's dark. Oh, can you see? So we are done with our breakfast. It was indeed tasty. Warm food in this chilling weather rocks. Saw that? Wicked stuff. Yeah friends, we are finally at Gurudongmar Lake. We passed too many photography restricted areas, so I couldn't give you regular update, but finally we made it. It's a very located on very high altitude, so I won't try to stress much. So let's click some good photos and I will share with you. Down here by the side of the lake. Whew. Tiring man, I don't know how the hell will I get up. done finally, taking some decent shots of Gurugongmar Lake. Whew. I am actually out of breath due to multiple times getting down and rising up. I try to take some low angle shots, but you see, I have a flip screen DSLR, but I can hardly see anything in this bright sunlight. It's too hard. Ooh, where's the sun? Somewhere there. Whew. So finally I'm down, catching some breath. Then we will start a return journey. See ya. So we are at Gurudongmar Lake, and another round earth theory debunked. See, you can see the sun right there, right? And there he is, the moon. So both sun and moon are high up in the sky. So how on earth can earth cast its shadow via the sunlight to the moon to cover it half, right? We are not even in the line of sight. Just give it a thought. We are on our way back to hotel at Lachamu. The road conditions are pathetic. I highly recommend having insurance on your spine before even planning for Gurudongmar Lake. Hopefully I'll make home with an intact spine. Anyways, we'll see you when we get back to the hotel. Hope you can notice the shake in video. I have a pretty stable, rock solid hand, and the video is being recorded with an image stabilized lens on an image stabilized body. Nevertheless, that will speak about the road conditions. We got a fueling break for our car. I was lazy to record the video, but it was that manual filling method with a funnel. Now I am walking to a bridge which has a flowing river underneath it. I will show you. So we are starting after lunch break, and we will be driving another 5-6 hours from Lachen to Gangtok. Oh, post lunch bumpy car ride is a bit nauseating, but I have to do. Compact trip, hectic, no holidays. Whew. Yes, that's how the day ended. The rest of the day was pretty much a long road trip from Lachung to Gangtok. But the trip is not over yet. There is a still lot more to go, and I will show you that in my future vlogs. So what are you waiting for? Hit the bell to get notified to all of my future videos. As always, give a thumbs up if you have liked this video. Thanks for watching. I am Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.